Hello aspirants, we are Footwear Design and Development Institute. Important information is that its admission forms for the year 2026 are available now. Let's have a look on its admission process and other relevant information. FDDI is an institution of national importance under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, established in 1986. Today it has 12 state-of-the-art campuses spread across India, out of which 2 campuses are in Uttar Pradesh, one are in Noida, and other one is in Farsakganj, Raebareli. There are only 170 institutions that have been granted the status of Institution of National Importance. These all are the best national level institutions like FDDI, IITs, AIIMS, IIMs, etc. Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, is the visitor of Footwear Design and Development Institute, and she honored the Convocation 2025 and awarded degree to the students.
FDDI Farsakganj invites applications in 3 bachelor degree courses and 1 master degree course. 4-year bachelor degree courses are Bachelor of Design in Footwear Design and Production, Bachelor of Design in Fashion Design, Bachelor of Design in Leather Lifestyle and Product Design. 2-year master degree course, that is MBA in Retail and Fashion Merchandise. Other campuses of FDDI have some other courses also.
For getting admission at FDDI, the interested candidates have to appear for online All India Selection Test exam. Forms are available online. The last date for submission of form is 20th April 2026.
Application form cost for General, OBC and EWS candidates ₹600 excluding GST, and for SC, ST and PWD candidates ₹300 excluding GST.
For bachelor's degree, candidates should be 12th pass or appearing in any stream. Candidates' age should be less than 25 years on 1st of July 2026. For master's degree, candidates should be graduate or appearing in any stream. There is no age limit for master's degree.
Campuses are categorized with different fee structure for different campuses. Farsakganj campus fees for BDES program is displayed in chart A. In chart B, you can see the fees of Farsakganj campus for MBA program. Hostel fees for Farsakganj campus is ₹12,000 per semester. Mess fees is not included in it.
Admissions for FDDI is conducted through All India Selection Test, which is a written examination. There will be 200 marked question papers for bachelor's degree examination, and it consists of 126 questions. For MBA program, it consists of 175 questions, which are divided in 4 sections.
Good news for those who want lateral entry. In second year or third semester of program, student has to appear for a personal interview. Those who are interested in this mode may visit our official website and admission page for more details in this regard.
There will be 36 examination centers pan-India, out of which 5 cities are in Uttar Pradesh. The names are Farsakganj at Raebareli, Kanpur, Agra, Lucknow and Noida. If we talk about placement, FDDI Farsakganj has recorded 100% placement last year. FDDI makes sure to provide 100% placement assistance.
Link of the prospectus is given in our description box. Follow our social media channels, link given on the screen. Scan the QR code for further admissions.